Hello, welcome to this class. If you're new here to my channel, then welcome. And if you've been here before, then welcome back. It's lovely to see you again, really lovely to meet you. Please make sure you subscribe because that really helps me, and it means that you'll get to see when I put up new videos. My name's Jo Yoga. I'm a Kundalini yoga teacher and children's yoga teacher, and today we're going to be doing yoga for the flexibility of the spine. So your spine is your greatest messenger in your body, and it connects obviously your brain to the rest of your body. The healthier your spine, the healthier your entire system. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that there is no stagnant energy or tight bits or uncomfortable bits in the spine. What I must say is that you must take it gently and easily, and if you are prone to problems with your back and problems with your spine, then obviously consult your GP before you start any kind of exercise program. That being said, I'd also like you to just really 100% tune in with yourself, and that is how you're feeling. Your body will give you messages constantly, so always just connecting in, and that's what yoga is all about. So let's start with some gentle spinal flexes. So sitting in easy pose or a comfortable position, you can even do this sitting on a chair. If you're on a chair, have your hands resting on your thighs. If you're like me in easy pose, grab hold of your front leg, and we're just going to gently arch and flex the spine. So we're just building up momentum of movement. So I'm going to turn sideways so you can see exactly what we're doing here. So we're just arching. We're focusing on the heart space, arching and flexing, curving and convexing the spine. So we're focusing on the heart space, moving that forwards and backwards. And as we get a little bit warmer, we can maybe start to either speed it up or make the movements much more exaggerated. Now I want you to include the breath here. So every time you come forward, you breathe in through the nose, and every time you come backwards, you breathe out through the nose. All through the nose, breathing in and out. In when you're forwards, out when you're back. And let's continue with this for another minute or so. So close your eyes down. Gives you a greater sense of your inner world and really connect with that movement of your spine. And the part of the spine that we're really working on at the moment is the lower spine. Releasing anything from there. So just focus your attention down to the lower spine. And then come to the center, sitting up tall, and take a deep breath in here. And breathe out. Okay, keeping your spine tall, so always shining your crown chakra, the top of your head, up to the sky. Bring your left hand across the body onto the right knee and take your right arm behind you. Keeping yourself tall, just gently twist and turn to look over your right shoulder. Taking a deep breath in, seeing if you can sit a little bit taller. As you breathe out, see if you can twist a tiny bit further. And then take another deep breath in. As you breathe out, just unravel the spine, coming back to face the front. Taking your right hand across onto your left knee, left hand behind you, again keeping that spine tall, taking a deep breath in. As you breathe out, just twist a tiny bit more. Gazing over your left shoulder. And again, taking a deep breath in. As you breathe out, just come back down to the front. Okay, bring your hands up onto your shoulders, allowing your fingers to be at the front, thumbs at the back. And as you go, we're going to just do some shoulder twists. As you take your shoulders to the left, you breathe in. As you take them to the right, breathe out. Keep your elbows lifted so that it opens up the back of the shoulders and the top of the chest as well. Again, close the eyes down and just allow yourself to move here. And slow the twist down, coming to the front and taking a deep breath in. Take those arms up over your head. As you breathe out, bring them back down through the center. And again, breathing in and breathing out. All right, coming onto your hands and knees for some cats and cows. So cat pose and cow pose work beautifully together. Cow pose is on the hands and knees, hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. Drop your tummy, lift your tailbone, looking up. And cat pose, looking underneath, taking your spine to the ceiling. And again, cow pose, drop that tummy, lift that tailbone, looking up, breathing in. Breathing out, lift your tail. Lift your spine, not your tail, the spine, looking underneath. And then moving between the two, nice and fluid. And then come to a neutral spine, lifting into downward dog. So curl your toes under, push into your hands, stretching through the whole of the back of the body. And step your feet forward into a forward fold, and let's allow the lower spine to really stretch here. So don't worry about how low you go. Just let the weight of your arms, head, shoulders, just let everything flop here. You'll feel the stretch in the backs of the legs. Tighten those thighs and just allow the lower spine, the lower part of the back to just stretch out here, using the weight of your arms and shoulders. Just hang. And then bend your knees, allow your hands to touch the floor, step back with your left foot, pop the left knee down on the mat, right foot is forward. And let's twist again. So grabbing your balance, lifting up, we're going to bring the hands to the heart center, palms are touching. I'm going to lean forwards a little bit, so I'm just hitching my right foot forward. Drop the hips. You're going to turn towards the right and then hook your left elbow on the outside of the right knee and see if you can twist enough to start to look up to the sky. Breathing here. Pushing down with your back foot and your front foot to ground yourself. And one more breath here. And breathe out, coming back to the front. Swap the legs over, so left foot is now in front. Get your balance, drop those hips. Bring your hands to prayer, or at your heart space. Turn towards the left and hooking the right elbow on the outside of the left knee and twist again to look at the sky. And one more breath. And come back to the center. Pop your hands down on the mat. Bring your feet back and come into a child's pose, stretching out your spine. Drop your bottom down, drop your head down.
Lifting the head up.
Bringing yourself up to sit tall on the feet. And just bring the hands into the lap, close the eyes down. And as you breathe in, I want you to envisage an energy at the base of the spine, traveling up your spine as you breathe in. And then as you breathe out, just allow that vision to dissolve. And then again, as you breathe in, the energy from the base of the spine travels all the way up to the crown of the head. And breathing out. Breathing in. Keep visualizing that energy traveling up your spine. Bring your hands together at your heart center and let's seal our practice with one Om. Take a breath in. Om. Thank you for joining. Please leave a comment. If you've successfully done the whole of this class, just leave a comment that says Bendy, and I will see you next time on the mat. Sat Nam.